guys, today's we're Sloppy Silly, and today we're going to be doing I have made a dog prison. Now the person who gave me this idea was Taz. He makes I think that was it. It was Taz, and he was making a dog prison, so I said, ooh, I should make a dog prison. So first, of course, in all these we have sorry, my brother, and they're all in there, a place where they all stay. You can make them go through, I will get to this later, and they can play that, and then that's where you hit them, and then you can go through them. And here is the killing station. What you will do is, then you bring the wolves in to kill them. Then I'm just gonna let them go. Come on, boy. Which I do. Okay. Get him, boy. Get him, go. Get him, yay, good boy. Yeah, get him, boy. Get him. And then get the others. Right, go get him. Good. Okay. And later I will put name tags on them so I know which is which. Come on, boy. Come back in here. Let's go. Come on. Okay. You're spazzy now. Okay, good boy. Now what over here is when they do something right, they get a treat, like that killer station. If they do what you want, give them a treat. Now over here is where all the trainers eat. Prison eat station, free samples. Now right in there where all the food is at, this took me about 30 minutes. And right over here, you sit down in your seats and you eat. It has poisonous, bad stuff. Thanksgiving chest. Meal, see, like all that together, and that, just for extra good. This healthy stuff over here, dessert, and then all the big desserts. Free sample. I will be making this bigger soon. I will be making something where I don't know. I'll be making up like a courtyard and a train obstacles that they have to go through. So just let you know, I did not come up with this. It was Taz's idea, and he said he'd make something like this. So I helped him out and I made it. So Taz, if you were watching this, thank you for giving me this idea. This was not me, it was all him. So I'm Reese. Next time I hear more Sloppy Silly.